How this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a message, a conversation on your messenger. So let's dive into our messenger. Click on your messenger and look at the person you want to. Maybe here's some conversation that your message is sent to you and you wanted to remember the message for future access, maybe for some secret to others and evidence. That is how you can pin. Once you pin it, you later from your pin messages, you will see the messages you later purpose. So let's dive in. This is now. So this message now, I want to pin this message. Just click on the message you want to pin and use it. The in will pop out. Is it reply or you want to copy the messages or you want to pin? Just click on pin and I have pinned this message. Now let's go and see our message that we have pinned. You can see, just click on you pin a message, click on it, click on see all, and this is it. This message has been pinned. So you can refer to the message later in the future, maybe for an evidence, a purpose. I can use it for any other thing. I can say. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.